Dear viewers, in this video you will learn about uses of Flagyl suspension, commonly used in homes. Flagyl suspension is an oral medication primarily used to treat various infections caused by anaerobic bacteria and certain parasites. The active ingredient in Flagyl suspension is metronidazole. Ingredients. Number 1. Active ingredient metronidazole, an antibiotic and anti-protozoal medication. Number 2. Inactive ingredient may be by manufacturer: sucrose, sorbitol solution, methyl paraben, propyl paraben, flavoring agents, water, hydroxyethyl cellulose, which is used as a thickener, citric acid, used for pH adjustment, sodium citrate, also used for pH adjustment. Uses. Number 1. Bacterial infections. Treatment of anaerobic bacterial infections such as bacterial vaginosis, pelvic inflammatory disease, and infections of the abdomen, skin, and respiratory tract. Number 2. Protozoal infections. Effective against protozoal infections such as trichomoniasis, giardiasis, and amoebiasis. Number 3. Other uses. Sometimes used to treat dental infections and to prevent infections during surgical procedures. Mechanism of action. Metronidazole works by entering the bacterial and protozoal cells and interfering with their DNA synthesis, leading to the death of microorganism. Administration. Typically taken orally, the dosage and duration depends on the type and severity of the infection. It is essential to follow the prescribed dosage and complete the full course of the medication to prevent the reoccurrence of the infection and the development of antibiotic resistance. Side effects. Common side effects may include nausea, a metallic taste in mouth, and abdominal discomfort. Serious side effects are rare but can include allergic reactions, seizures, and liver problems. It's important to consult a healthcare provider if any unusual symptoms occur. Precautions. Avoid alcoholic consumption during treatment and for at least 48 hours after the last dose to prevent adverse reactions. Inform the doctor of any existing medical conditions, especially liver disease or a history of blood disorders. Adverse use: always use Flagyl suspension during the guidance and prescription of healthcare professional. This was all about uses of Flagyl. If you have learned something from it, you may subscribe my channel Javed Khatak Pharmacy and share this video. Thanks a lot.